So guys, today's video is going to be a decorate my daughter's bedroom. Now I'm redecorating, not really redecorating, that sounds so dramatic. like sounds like we're taking everything down, including the walls. No. Today's video is going to be my daughter's room and like decorating her walls. It's not going to be anything major or like painting or anything like that. It's just going to be adding more of the wall art that I've been buying and the cushions and seeing how everything looks. So let's get on with the video. Firstly, I started off with the cushions that I bought for her. So the cushions that I bought for her, the Disney pillows from Primark, I got it for £2. And then the fluffy grey one, again, you would have seen in my recent August Primark haul. That was like £4 or £3 or £4 in Primark as well. And then the sequin one I got from Pound Stretcher for £2.99. Can you imagine? I played around with them just to see how, like, if she needs more cushions and stuff. And like, I feel like for right now she's okay. I feel like she might need more cushions. Because I feel like a little girl should have like more, like, at least like 5 cushions. 5 unique cushions. They can't all look the same. They have to be unique in their own way. But I feel like the 3 that we got really work really well, especially on her bed sheet. Her bed sheets are they're old, they're not new. She got it from I got it from Argos like maybe like a year and a half ago, I think. Yeah. Also, can I just mention her bed? My daughter's bed is actually a bunk bed. We bought her a bunk bed because like just in case that we get visitors and like there's an extra bed. We had a visitor and like we had to remove the top half of the bunk bed because they weren't able to like go up the stairs of the bunk bed. So we removed the top half and we just thought it was practical to just leave it like this. Yeah, but we've stored the top part of the bunk bed, so yeah, we still got it. It's just we thought it was just practical to leave it like this because she doesn't share it with anyone, and if we need it we just fix it back on. Next we moved on to the wall art. Now wall art, she had already some wall art in her bedroom, but some of them I just wanted to remove them because of where they weren't working properly. So she has this LED light that says OMG. I got that from Asda maybe like 2 years ago. £7. Yeah, I really love it. I feel like the LED lights are really perfect for like little girls' room. And also she has this perfume, Paris canvas perfume wall art that I got from B&M. That was £2. I'm like, £2. Yeah, I took that and like moved it. You'll probably see like my old vintage like oval mirror that I got from B&M. Yeah, because it used to be in my room, so I've given it to her because it fits the theme in her room, and it was literally not doing anything in my room. It was just not doing anything. So I feel like it fits really well in her room, and it works well with her drawer. And that because her room is really pink, it's like I need to add more element of other colours. I think white just balances the pink out. I rearranged the wall decor she already had and added more wall decor. So the wall decor that I added that were new were the ones I got from Flying Copenhagen and Tiger. And like these were basically stuff I just picked up for like £1 in the clearance section in Tiger. I really love that store. Oh my goodness. If you love that store, comment below. Just comment below. I love that store. Afterwards, you guys, I was finished and I really like the look at the moment. I feel like the room still needs to a little bit more update, so I'll bring like a future video next time, because the update I feel like she needs new curtains. I feel like the curtains she's had it quite a while. I'm looking for like just plain curtains, not too much, not expensive. Also, I feel her drawer table, the drawer handles, the love heart drawer handles. Basically, I bought this drawer on eBay, by the way. Yeah, I feel like the drawer handles need to be replaced. One of them's gone missing. So yeah, and like, I'm kind of tired of the love hearts. She's grown now, and it's like, yeah, she's grown now. Perfect place to go find those are TK Maxx and HomeSense, which is practically basically the same, owned by the same store basically. And like I took her to TK Maxx and she was like, oh my goodness, yes, I need some new drawer handles. Yeah, and we saw some, and yeah, so there will be an updated room decor coming really, really soon. But yeah, that was it for you guys. I think my next decorate will be the girls, maybe the boys' room, and also it's autumn winter now, and yeah, it's time to decorate my home as well. And also I'm slightly becoming a minimalist. It's not minimalist like I'm getting rid of furniture, no, like I love the whole you've got furniture, but it's like you're getting rid of things that will just, there's too much of the same thing, that type of minimalist. Yeah, seriously. So subscribe if you're not subscribed for like more decorate me videos. And there's going to be a minimalist series that's going to be coming up in the next couple of weeks. So watch out for those videos. And yeah, don't forget to check out the videos that I recently did. And take care of yourselves, guys. Bye.